Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and will be studying at your places. In last video, I made you understand the factors, prime number and the composite number. Along with I made you understand the exercise 8a in which I told you how to find out the factors, prime numbers and the composite number. Today we will start the HCF. HCF means the highest common factor. Okay, I told you how to find out the factor of the given single number. But what happens when more than one number are given there? Means two number, three number and four number are there. Then how to find out the factor? In that case, we always find out the common factor. That is the highest common factor. Means that number which divide the given number exactly. Okay, whatever the given numbers are there, 2, 3 or 4, so we will find out the that highest common factor which divide all of them exactly without remainder. So in this video we will learn this how to find out the HCF of more than one number. So let's start the HCF. So student, this is the chapter 8 HCF and LCM. Okay, and today I am just going to tell you the HCF. As I told you that we always find out the HCF of more than one number. Some examples are there and I will tell you how to find out the HCF of given number. But before that I would like to tell you there are three methods of finding out the HCF. First is the highest common factor method, second is the prime factor method and third one is the division method. One by one I will tell you all the three methods. Okay, so let's start with the first method, that is the highest common factor method. Okay, in this method we have to find out the factor first of all. The name is saying highest common factor and I have already told you that how to find out the factors. In last video, in previous video, I told you how to find the factors of the given number. So first of all we will find the factors of the given numbers. Okay, then after we will find out the common factors which we have find out. Okay, then after we will find the highest common factor among them. Got it? So first of all, first example is there, find the HCF of 12 and 36. So as I told you, we will find out the factor of both the number one by one. So factors of the 12, how many factors will be there? I told you all those numbers which divide the given number exactly are called a factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These all are the numbers which divide the 12 exactly. Okay, this is the definition of the factors. So these all are the factor of 12. And now the 36, what will be the factors of the 36? 1, 2, 3 and then after 4, then 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the number which are not factor because in these table, in these number of table, 36 never come. Then after 6, 9, 7 and 8 is the not factor of this, then 9, then after 12, after that 18 and then 36. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay, these all are the factor of the 36 because these all number divide the 36 exactly. See here, 36 is divisible by the 1, 36 is divisible by 2, 36 is divisible by 3 and 4, 3, 12 and 4, 9 6, 6 36 and 9 4 12 3 18 2 and 36 1. So these all are the numbers which divide the 36 exactly, that's why these are the factor of the 36. Now we have to find the common factor, means these are the factors of the 36 and these are the factors of the 12. So we have to find the common factor of both of them. So 1 is the common, so we will write 1 here, and which is the common? 2 is there. 2 is there in both the factor of the number 2, then 3 is here and here also, then 4, then after 6 and 9 is not there. 9 is the factor of 36 but 9 is not the factor of 12. Then after 12 is there and then after nothing is there. Here 18 and 36 are there, but 18 and 36 are not the factor of 12. So these are the common factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now we have to we have to find the highest common factor, means इनमें से सबसे बड़ा factor, highest factor, greatest factor कौन सा है? Highest common factor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, that is 12 is the highest. So this is the answer of 12 and 36, means HCF of 12 and 36 will be 12. Got it? We have to just move in the reverse way. It is saying the highest common factor. So first of all find out the factor. Okay. Then the common factor. And then highest common factor. The solution is hidden in the name also. Okay. Now we will find the factors of the 8, 12 and 18. Here the three numbers are there and we have to find the highest common factor. See one more thing. Why this is 12 is the highest common factor? You can see here 12 is the greatest number which is dividing the 12 and 36 exactly. That's why it is saying the highest common. These are only factor. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the only factors and 12 is the highest common factor. And this is to find out by us. Now 8, 12 and 18. First of all, again we have to find the factor of three of them one by one. What will be the factor of 8? Definitely 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then after 12, I have already written here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, 12. These are the factor of 12. Now 18, 1, 2 9s are 18, then 3 6s are, and 4 and 5 is not, 6 3s are, 9 2s are, and then after 18 1s are. These are the factors of the 18. Now we have to find the common factor, 3 of them. Okay, so 1 is the common, so we will write 1 first of all, then 2 is the common, we will write 2, then 3 is there, no 3 is not there, then 4 is here, but in this 4 is not there because 4 is not a factor of this. Then after 6 is here but not here, and 12 and 18. So 1 and 2 are the common factor of 3 of them. Then after we have to find the highest, 1 and 2, which is the greatest number, highest number, that is the 2. So this is the answer, means 2 is the highest number which divide the 8, 12 and 18 exactly. Means ये 2 जो है वो इन तीनों नंबर को डिवाइड कर रहा है exactly. Got it? Now we are taking one more example, HCF of 18 and 30. So again we have to find out the first step, factors. What will be the factor of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not a factor, then 6, 7, 8 is not factor, then 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, these are not the factors of 18. So these are the factors. I have already shown it here. Now the 30. 1, 2, 2 15s, 3 10s, then 4, no, 5 6s, 6 5s. Okay. Then after, what other factor will be there? 7, 8, 9, then 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, these are not. Then after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, no is there. No number is there. Okay, directly 30 will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factor of 30. Now we have to find the common factor among them. So first of all 1 is there, 1 is common, then 2, then 3, then 5, no, 6 is there, and then after nothing is there. So what will be the highest common factor, which is the greatest number in that? 6. So 6 is the answer. So easy is this. Okay, so by this method we can find out the HCF like this. First of all we will find out the factors, then common factor, then highest common factor. Okay, now the second method is saying the prime factor method. I told you how to find the prime factor. If you watched the previous video, so you must have known that how to find out the prime factor. I told you if the 12 is there, I'm just reminding you, if the 12 is there and you have to find out the h prime factors of 12. Okay, this is the 12 and you have to find out the prime factor of this. So I told how to find. You can find the prime factor like division method. 2 6 are 12 and 2 3 are and 3 1 are. Okay, so after that, whatever we have got 2 2 3, these are the prime factor of 12. Okay, then prime factor of 12 is equal to 2 2 and 3. Two type of number are there, 2 and 3, in the prime factor of the 12. Got it? So we have to use this method. Okay, so we are just taking the same example which we took here. First of all, we are taking the 12 and 36 and 8 12 and 18, and then we will take the 18 and 30. One more thing, whatever method you will take, I told you the three method, whatever method you will take and by whatever method you will find the HCF, the answer remains same. Okay, just see here, I am taking this example. We will find the HCF of the 12 and 36 by the prime factor method. Okay, the example first, HCF of 12 and 36. So first of all, we will find the prime factors of 12. कितना होगा 12. I told you this method to find out the factor. 2 6 and 2 3 and 3 1. Okay, then the prime factor of 12 is equal to 2 2 and 3. 2 2 3. Okay, now we will find out the prime factor of prime factors of 36. We will write the 36 and we will use the division method for this to find out the prime factor. 2 18s are, 2 9s are. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by the 3 3s are, and 3 is divisible by 3 1s are. Then the prime factor of 36 is equal to 2 2 3 3. 2 2 3 and 3. Okay, so this is the prime factor of the 12 and this is the prime factor of the 36. Now what we have to find out the HCF. For finding out the HCF, we have to find here the common prime factor. Okay, we have to find out the common prime factor. Got it? So here this 2 and this 2 is common, so we will make a pair. So one pair of 2 is there, so we will write the 2 here. Then one more 2 is there, so we will write the 2, one more 2 there. Then 1 3 is there, so we will write the 3. Now 3, no pair of this 3 is there. Okay, got it? You may write like this: prime factor of 12 is equal to 2 2 3, and prime factor of 36 is equal to 2 2 3 and 3. So this is the common, we have written this here. This 2 is common, we have written here. This 3 is common, we have written here. But there is no pair of this 3. Okay, we have to find the pair only. Got it? So what we have to do this is the common prime factor, we have to multiply it together. So HCF of 12 and 36 will be 2 to the 4 3 the 12. Got it? So you have seen here again with this method we are using the prime factor method. In this method again we have get the same answer which I got in the HCF, means highest common factor method. So whatever method you will just try, you get the same answer. Okay, but I will not suggest you to do this method because this is the so long. Because in this method you have to find out the prime factor of each and every number. Then you will find out the common prime factor, and then after you will find out the HCF. So it is very so long, so you will not use this. I am just telling you the substitute of this. Okay, so you will use this method. I am just telling you on the next page, and it is very easy. Prime factor method. Okay, this is the same method, but this is the short method. So what we have to find? HCF of 12 and 36. So first of all you will find out the prime factor. Okay, prime factor of 12 and 36. Here we will find the prime factor of 12 and 36 together. In previous method we are finding out the prime factor of both the number differently, separately. Okay, we were finding out the prime factor of both the number. Suppose if there were the three numbers, so it takes a long time. So that's why I'm saying this is the very easy and short method. So here we will find out the prime factor of all the number, whatever number are there together. So 12 and 36, it is both the number are divisible by 2, 2 6 and 2 18. Now these both the number are again divisible by 2, 2 3 and 2 9. Now 3 and 9 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide it by the 3 1 and 3 3. Now we will not divide because 1 and 3 are not divisible by any number. Okay, and I told you in the prime factor we never divide any number by the 1. Okay, so we will stop this process here because these number 1 and 3 are not divisible by any other number except the 1. Good. So HCF of 12 and 36 will be 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3. We will just multiply of these number, 2 to the 4, 3 to the 12. So this is the half of the previous method. Okay, so you will use this method. Now I'm taking one more example, that is the 8 12 and 18. 8 12 and 18. Another example we are taking 8 HCF of 8 12 and 18. Then first of all prime factors of 8 12 and 18. We will write all these numbers together, 8 12 and 18. Now divide it. These all are divisible by 2. 2 4 2 6 2 9. Okay, now 2 4 2 6 and 2 9. Now tell, are these numbers divisible by any single number? No, these two numbers are divisible by 2, but this is not divisible by 2, and these two numbers are divisible by 2 3, but this is not divisible. So what happened? We will stop this process here. So what will be the HCF of 8 12 and 18 will be 2. Got it? means 2 is the highest number which divide these number exactly. 2 से ऊपर 2 से बड़ा कोई और नंबर नहीं है. Means 3 is not 3 never divide the 8, 3 divide the 12, 3 divide the 18, but 3 never divide the 8. So 2 is the greatest number, means 2 is the highest common factor of these three number. Got one more example. We are going to take 18 and 30. Okay, example HCF of 18 and 30. Same, we will find out the prime factor of 18 and 30. We will write it together, 18 and 30, and divide it. These are both the number divisible to 2 9s and 2 15s. Now 9 and 15 are not divisible by 2, so we will take the 3 3s are 3 5s. Now no number is there which divide the 3 and 5 together exactly, means no number is there which divide the 3 and 5 exactly. Okay, so we will stop this process here, and HCF of 18 and 30 will be, we will multiply it here, 2 into 3. We always multiply these number. Okay, we have got only single number, so that's why the 2 is the HCF, and here 2 2 3 2 2 3, whatever number we get the here, we multiply them together. So 2 into 3, 6, means 6 is the highest number, highest common factor of 18 and 30. Okay, so these are the method which I told you, and in next video I will tell you the division method. It is also very easy. Okay, so today I told you the prime factor method and the HCF method, means highest common factor method, and prime factor method. So you try this at your home, and I will just provide you some questions which will be based on that. Okay, so till then you just keep practice. Thank you everyone.